By now, everybody and their mama should have had a lesson on supply and demand based on what is currently going on in the current crisis that we all are in. When there is a shortage of computer chips, it drives up the price of cars. When there is a shortage of homes, it drives the price up. When there is a shortage of gas, it drives the price up. So pretty much throughout this whole health debacle, we all should have had a crash course on supply and demand. Now, currently, there is another looming crisis, and that crisis is water. Now, I've said on this channel multiple times about an intelligence report that was released last year called the Global Trends 2040 that was actually put together by the U.S. Intelligence Council. Now, this report was free to the public, and I'm mentioning it again to put in front of you all so that you all can make better financial decisions based on what's going to happen. Now, of course, the federal government knows what's coming. It has details about the water shortage. The water shortage is going to come in two ways. One, the degradation of quality, and two, an actual water shortage. Now, the water shortage is actually already happening. It's just not at America's doorstep. America is a bunch of spoiled ass, whiny babies. Don't pay attention to anything because nobody reads. There are ways that you can actually make money from this next crisis, just like people made money from the last crisis. However, knowing is half the battle, and taking action will get you across the finish line. So the first way that most people are going to try to make money off of the water crisis is actually stockpiling water. But who wants to have stacks and stacks of water, in a garage or wherever? That's one way to do it. But the easiest way for you to make money off of the water shortage or the water crisis is through stocks and ETFs. If you actually look at the average water stock, they actually are high right now. For example, American Water Works, that's $168 a share currently. Another one is American States Water Company. That is about $52 currently. So if you look at the history of these water stocks, they've been going up the past year or so. The reason for that is because the major players are paying attention. And again, I've said it before, this intelligence report tells you everything you need to know before it happens so that you can strategically place yourself and your money in the right positions to appreciate. Now, the best way to take advantage of this entire thing is through ETFs. And I'll give you some examples. Although this is not financial advice, you should still do your own research. First ETF is First Trust Water ETF. Now, First Trust Water has a basket of different water companies. You should go to their site and check out their holdings to see which companies they hold before you make a decision on actually starting to put money into that ETF. And the next one is the S&P Global Water Index ETF. That's another one that is also a basket. It is slightly different, or they have different companies than the First Trust. So you should look at the different holdings and decide on, which holdings that you're interested in, or if you want to invest in both. So I just want to give you all a heads up on what's coming. If you haven't read the report, you should. It will pretty much tell you what industries you should be looking to put your money into for the future. All right. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I know the vibes on this side. No matter what, we're going to keep getting fucking rich. Believe that.